in this van for some of the local tourist places to visit in the Kathmandu. And here are the drivers, and they will let you know what cost we have booked it and how much it will be charging. What spots we are going, it will be continued in our video. Stay tuned, guys. Let's know what prices for which we have booked it. We are 13 people totally and one child, so this will be comfortable for all the tourist places and visiting sites also in Kathmandu.
क्लिक हाँ
उसका बाद
अब चंद्रगिरी हिल जाना है उसके बाद
अब उसके बाद
Here my husband is doing struggle to understand the driver's language. How much it has been charged to us, and how much it will be charged
पर पर्सन 1000 rupees
per person, 1,000.
Approximately.
And you can do the bargaining before they will be say something higher price, and after that if you are a good bargainer you will be getting it, and if you are not then they will be taking the money as much as they will be giving. So our driver has been went to his owner to know the places where he will be taking us for the tour for the today in the city tour. And at the time I will be telling you where we are visiting. First of all, we have thought the spot at the Chandragiri Hills to see the beautiful scenario of the Himachal and the Himachal ranges. I have researched that between the 12 ranges, the 8 will be seen from the Chandragiri Hills only. So guys, let's begin. Bye bye. बताइए कहाँ कहाँ घुमाने लेके जाएंगे आज हम? हाँ,
बाद में स्वयंभू
ओके,
उसको बाद में नारायण जल विष्णु
हाँ,
राधा कृष्ण
अच्छा,
उसके बाद में आएगा बौद्ध
ओके,
और उसको फिर शक्तिपीठ
ठीक है। ये सारे स्पॉट्स एक दिन में कवर हो गए या फिर कैसा?
और एक दिन में कवर हो जाएगा
एक दिन में पूरा कवर हो जाएगा। ठीक। So guys, the journey is just started and we are on the one of the most breathtaking destination in Nepal, Chandragiri Hills. It's your a nature lover or someone looking to escape the hurdle life and the bust of the city, then the hidden gem is definitely worth of visiting. Located just a short distance from Kathmandu, Chandragiri Hills is famous for its stunning view, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty and spiritual atmosphere. Whether you are visiting off a day trip or seeking some peaceful atmosphere in around the mountains, the Chandragiri Hill is an ideal spot. We are at Chandragiri Hills. Look at the surroundings and everything. It's so cool temperature here as per see. From the Chandragiri Hills, you can enjoy a 360-degree panoramic view with the Kathmandu Valley on one side and the majestic Himalayas on the another. On a clear day, you can even spot some of the world's tallest peaks, including Mount Everest in the distance. For all my viewers, there is a sweet surprise for you. These hills is an ideal gateway from Kathmandu. Whether you are an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or someone looking to relax and reflect, this place offers it all. Let's enjoy the every range of Himalaya, and we are just enjoying and taking our pictures here. The beautiful scenery from the back side, and it is showing the beauty of it. And what we are going to explore in this video, you will be seeing the beautiful scenes of the Chandragiri Hills and the Himalayan ranges. You just stay with us and go forward for this video. After roaming here and there, our full gang got somewhat tired up and want some refreshment. So we just gathered at a spot and looking around and trying to advise everyone. Meanwhile, we have clicked some pictures. You can see it. This is the ticket house of Chandragiri Hills, and for Indians it is 1340 rupees per Indian, and from up and down both it will be charged. One of the highlight of this hill is the Chandragiri cable car. Opened in 2016, the cable car takes you an exciting ride through the scenic forest and the lush landscapes all the way up to the summit. And when you reach the top, the view will be unbelievable and you will be speechless to see the natural love and the beautiful ranges of Himalayas. So guys, just दिल थाम के देखिए, बहुत सुंदर व्यू है. We just came upwards in the Chandragiri Hills, and we are at 2551 meters above the sea level, which is around 8,369 feet. For my family who don't do the matrix, the height means you are in the form of jaw-dropping panoramic view of the Kathmandu Valley, and on the clear day it might be you will be able to see the Himalaya ranges of Annapurna all the way to the Everest. Trust me, it is the kind of view that makes you stop and just breathe. Now we are going to watch the view of the ranges of Himalayas, that is the Mount Everest. Look at there, from there we will be watching. Just guys, for watching the Everest view from the tower, you have to pay extra 50 rupees for it, and you can see, if the day is clear, you can see the ranges. And here is the surprise just coming for you all, guys. Just stay tuned with me and see everything what I am been storing and telling to you guys. From here we will be able to see the Mount Everest. So just I am trying to see and just adjusting my lenses, and just if I get the view. See guys, this was the surprise what I have brought for my viewers, and this is it, and you can be free for seeing it, and our journey is successful. guys, this is the most famous temple in Chandragiri Hills of Mahabhuvneshwar temple, and it is now the temperature is 15 degrees Celsius and the time is 2:45, but the temperature is so low. Let's see the beautiful view of this temple, the beauty of the temple, how trim the wall. At the top you will be seeing the golden Guys, let's go inside and see the view of the temple, and hope so if camera is allowed I will be showing you the inside the temple, the murti, the sthapna of the Shiv, Lord Shiva. If not allowed, then sorry guys, you have to come and visit this temple. Come on. I told you before also guys, Chandragiri Hills is not just about the view, it is also about a spiritual place. At the top you will find the beautiful Bhaleshwar Rao Mahadev temple described to the Lord Shiva. The temple is an important pilgrimage site for Hindus, and visiting here brings a sense of calm and tranquility. Whether you come for the spiritual reason or simple to enjoy the nature, there is something about the peaceful surrounding that rejuvenates your soul. Thank you guys for joining me on this virtual journey to Chandragiri Hills. It's you even find yourself in Nepal. Make sure to add this stunning destination to your itinerary, and don't forget to like, subscribe and check the bell icon for the more traveling adventures. Tata, bye, stay blessed, love you all guys.